That's no fun. You stopped.
I can definitely start again.
Make some more sparks.
Right. Yay. Molten metal.
It's a weld.
Me and my turban.
Jessica the turbaned welder.
Indeed. My extra big head.
Always good to bring an extra t-shirt. Because it just might be useful. Okay, hold that hoop up. Is it hold upable? No, the hoop. The thing we're building.
Oh, that thing.
That thing.
Oh, I forgot about that for a while.
You can kind of tell it's egg-shaped. Hold it way up over your head. There. It's an egg. Yay, egg.
That's the egg that you made, huh?
Yeah, it's an egg.
Yeah, we said to think about this big, we can break it down.
It just keeps getting smaller.
And pretty soon, probably gonna go to that model that we made in the very beginning. And that'll be it. That'll be it. That'll be it. We'll be a big break next show.
Nice.